A shared vision that is clearly and consistently communicated is often listed as the most crucial element for successfully planning for and implementing change efforts, even small ones. As Alice found out when she went and chatted with the shifty Cheshire Cat, if you don't have a vision, it really doesn't matter what steps you take. Without a vision, it doesn't matter how you get where you're going, because you really don't know where you want to go. Indeed, school divisions that have implemented initiatives without a clear vision, whether related to technology or not, have had disastrous results. Sometimes very public disastrous results that wasted money and time and cost people their jobs. In Fairfax County, however, the division and school teams all have a vision for technology integration that can help shape the SBITS role. Coaches can play various roles in developing and sharing that vision. SBITS may act on the technology committees or leadership and transformation teams charged with developing technology plans. SBITS are often an important part of professional development offerings, especially those focused on technology or which use digital resources to meet other desired goals. SBITS model and communicate their school's vision and that of the division on a daily basis, with their interactions with students and families, teachers, other coaches, and building and division leaders. What is your role in developing and sharing the vision for effective technology integration? What might you do to share that vision with others? As you review resources on the goal-setting handout, determine how they support the role of coaches. Consider the action steps you can take and the evidence you can collect to demonstrate you clearly and consistently communicate a shared vision for the effective integration of technology in schools and classrooms. Many of these resources and their associated tasks can be found on the FCPS-on SBITS Toolkit. The toolkit is too extensive to complete in an hour, but you may want to refer to it for additional resources or tasks to meet your learning goals to demonstrate this standard.